In this video, I'll show you how to make your calls being displayed on the full window or just in a small pop-up window. And watch it till the end because I'll give you a very valuable tip which is gonna help you managing your calls. So first of all, open up your phone application. Now you gotta tap on the three dots at the top right corner. After that, press Settings. Here in Settings, we are to locate Call Display Well using Apps. And here we have three choices. Full screen, you can see how it will look like on the preview window, small pop-up, and mini pop-up. Also, you can enable your kill calls in pop-up if you need to. So I'll enable this because why not? Now, all the calls will be displayed as you set it up, and if you need to switch between applications a lot, I recommend you just keeping this window open when you are talking. So basically, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.